My name is Shadowbird. I am the first Nigerian superhero character. I will be coming into movies, animations, television shows, play, games, graphic novels, magazines, and all other digital platforms. I was designed and created by an award-winning movie director and producer, Urena Amadi, and published by Afriwood Comics. My comic character, which is based on the life of a young Nigerian female artist, is designed to provide inspiration for minors, teenagers, youths, and adults. As a female superhero character, I am a powerful and inspirational figure portraying and projecting the feminine strength in Nigeria, Africa, and the world at large. This inspiration I bring to you is not only for women and girls, but for all genders. My existence and life story as the Shadowbird is also to teach and imbibe the culture of confidence, problem solving, courage, determination, charisma, kindness, love, empathy, and bravery into you, beloved Nigerians. All these will aid you go the distance in achieving a whole lot for yourselves through life's journey. Furthermore, my character, which will appear in different ages, has an array of superpowers right here in my Shadowlands. These superpowers will furnish me with super strength, speed, super reflexes, durability, healing factor, night vision, aperture sensitivity, acrobatics, stamina, agility, freezing, shooting, snapping, and telescopic abilities. My character costume is represented in two vibrant colors, blue and yellow. The blue color refers to my masculine energy, which symbolizes power, speed, courage, swiftness, confidence, depth, stability, and the willingness to do whatever it takes to succeed. The yellow color refers to my feminine energy, which symbolizes happiness, cheerfulness, hope, optimism, spontaneity, creativity, intellect, warmth, energy, safety, and friendliness. I am here to fight crimes and protect our neighborhood from villains to hoodlums who want to disrupt the peace of our communities. This is who I am, your favorite superhero character, the Shadowbird. Welcome to my world.